Hello everyone, welcome to Arc Decor channel. In this video, we will watch and information for tool storage, home use tools, screwdriver set, essential from various tasks with flatted and Phillips head screwdrivers, hammer, versatile tool for driving nails or removing them, adjustable wrench, ideal for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts for different sizes. Peeler set include needles, nose peelers, cutting peelers and regular peelers for gripping, cutting and building. Type measure necessary for accurate measurement in die project, utility knife handy for cutting materials like cardboard, plastic or drywall, drill and bits for making holes in different materials, various drills, bits for specific applications, level, ensure accurate horizontal and vertical elements. Allen wrench set used for tightening and loosening screw with hygienical sockets. Drill cordless drill portable drill powered by rechargeable batteries for convenience. Hacksaw cut through metal, plastic or other materials. Safety gloves protect eyes from dust, debris or potential hazard. Toolbox storage for organize and carrying your tools. Work gloves provided hand protection during various tasks. Crescent wrench adjustable wrench with movable jaw for different sized nuts and bolts. Study finder help locate stud behind walls, them mountain or hanging items. Measuring tape compact type measure for smaller measurements. Carpenter's screw ensure equal 90-degree angles for woodworking. Flashlight essential for working in dimly lit areas. Vase grip pillars locking pillars for screw gripping and holding. These tools cover a basic set for general home use. Depending on your specific need, you may add specialized tools for more advantage, advanced project. And these tools are storage for various pegboard wall. Install a pegboard on your wall to hang frequently used tools. Outline each tool to easily identify where it belongs. Clear container. Use clear bins or drawers for small items like screw and nails. Label them for quick access and visibility. Magnetic strips attach a magnetic strip to hold metal tools, keeping them within reach and organized on a wall or workbench. Shelving unit invest and strategy shelves for longer tools and equipment. Arrange them by type of use to minimize accessibility. Tool chases or cabinets. Opt for a tool chases with drawers for portable storage, allowing you keep your tools organized and easy transport them. Hanging hooks or basket hanging item like extension cord, uses are larger tool on sturdy hook or brackets for free up floor or shelf space. Portable toolbox for small, frequently used tools. Consider a portable toolbox. Keep it organized with compartment or different tools. Labeling system. Label shelves, containers, or drawers to easy identify where each tool belong. This help maintain order over time. Die storage solution. Get creative with repurposed items like old jars, cans, or PCV pipes to create custom storage solution for specific tools. Tool wall organizer. Install a wall mountain organizer with various tools and hooks for drills, wrenches, and other hand tools. Consider a wall hanging pegboard wall for hanging tools, clear containers for small items, and magnetic strip for metal tools are used for large equipment shelves. Group smaller tools together to stay organized. Importance of toolbox in our home. Emergency repairs. It allows you to quickly address unexpected issues for repairs around the house without needing to call for professional helper. Die projects. A wall e- equipped toolbox empowers you to undertake do it yourself project, saving money on manners fixes and improvements. Convenience. Having tool readily available in one place save time searching for them when needed, making tasks more efficient. Home maintenance. Regular maintenance become easier with toolbox, helping you keep your home in good condition. Self significance. A toolbox for cost fosters our senses of self sufficiency, enabling you to handle small repairs and tasks independently. Cost saving. By having essential tools on hand, you can avoid unnecessary expenses associated with hiring professional for minor repairs. Safety. Quick access to tool allow for proof proof it responses for safety corners, preventing potential any accidents or further damage. Or organization. A tool box help maintain order, preventing tools from being scratched around the house and reducing the risk of misplacing them. Teaching opportunities. It provided an opportunity of teaching base repairs and maintenance skills to family members, promoting a die mindset. Emergency preparedness. It time to emergency or power outage. Having tools readily available can be essential for in ensuring your home. If you like my ideas, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.